Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Peugeot Partner panel van.
Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points, and it's been covered by the AA warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. This exemplar is painted in silver and comes in the professional trim level. It's been equipped with a sliding door on the curbside, and you can find the fuel flap for both diesel and AdBlue. Over the rear, it's fully ply-lined with wood panelings over the sides and the floor, which also houses 6 anchorage points. The bulkhead is full metal, with the top area being a metal mat, and it also houses a load-through hatch on the lower left side, which extends into the cabin. The cargo area at the back is 121 centimeters wide and 121 centimeters tall at the lowest point of the roof, and then its length is an extensive 166 centimeters of fully usable space. The load-through hatch gives you access to the front 2 seats, which can be easily reclined, and as you can see, it also houses a metal lining to protect it and extends into the cabin by 85 centimeters. The middle seat instead houses a tray table with a clip holder. The cabin is configured in a 3-seat split with an independent and adjustable driver's seat, and all 3 headrests are fully adjustable. Over the dashboard, you have storage solutions on the passenger side and a locked compartment right in front of the driver. The 3-spoke steering wheel is adjustable in height, and behind it you can find the controls for the lighting, cruise control, wipers and infotainment. A bit further down the right you find the controls for toggling the traction control, a dial to adjust the height of the beam, and the joystick to control the power-controlled mirrors. Over the center console, you have a CD player with an auxiliary 3.5 jack and a USB Type-A port, shelf where to store your phone, heating controls, and then you have a few more controls for the power windows and center locking unit. This vehicle is equipped with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Partner panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.